Hi, my name is Michael Verdon. I'm a transformative artist. I work in the DMV with various organizations. We're currently working with the Arlington County Cultural Affairs, Arlington Art Truck. This project is called Good Neighbors, Fences to Benches. While a bit of a misnomer because it's actually, they turn into picnic tables. It doesn't have the same ring. These barriers, these 50 feet almost of wall transforms into 50 feet of picnic table. We're talking about access, who has access, and these barriers of access becoming public spaces. There's something really powerful about getting a spectator or someone who might just look to come and participate and change the end result. Like the outcome of the project is based on people participating. Otherwise it would just be a bunch of whiteboards and we'd seal them and it would be very boring. But this really gives people an opportunity to write or draw whatever they want, whatever they're feeling, any age. There's no barriers of entry. It feels really good to be talking to people about this in a way because a lot of history has not talked about those things. The horizontal boards that become the benches are painted white and they're not straight. The uprights that hold it together, which I think about as like historically black and brown people doing a lot of the hard work to create the structure that we prop ourselves up on. And so those are very formal and they're chiseled out and they're shaped to fit in these horizontal white pieces. It speaks to like the idea behind it. And so now we're out here trying to make a difference with our voices and our creativity.